Quinn didn't have a nap today, so she's being extra silly. Nope, it's just I'm making a video of you being extra silly. Can you be extra silly? Careful.
I threw up.
You threw up?
Yeah.
Well, you kind of spit it up.
I'm making noise.
What kind of noise is that?
I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
I'm throwing you out.
You what?
What did I do?
I don't know.
I have hiccups.
Probably because you just blew a lot of air into your tummy.
No, lady. I sue for this.
A spoon?
Sue.
Why?
Sue for this.
What are you're gonna stir it?
Yeah.
Can you say, please, a spoon, please? Spoon, please.
I want it.
You get it.
I use this one.
Okay.
A milk.
Oh, that fly's back.